What's up, guys? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have AMP up on the screen today, the one-day price chart. Last time we checked in over here on 612, and we said back on 6.3 we knew another low was coming. It did. It hit our target there at the 702. We were talking about the next setup and if we were able to get some relief. We didn't, and so we said on here, okay, if we do end up getting another drop, let's look to the 786 or the bottom of this second wave. Well, that's the area we've been battling here, this second wave over the last, it's like 2 weeks now, over the last 2 weeks, but like it broke down lower than we expected, right? And it actually ended up setting a new low. So that doesn't really look like a 1-2 anymore because the count's going to be starting from here. So what we want to do for AMP, again, not a huge deal, not preferred, but if we zoom out, we can see we're still okay, right? We haven't set a new low from here. We're in a little bit of a downtrend. I don't remember what I have for an alt season target. Oh, this thing's freezing. Come on. I don't remember what I had for an alt season target for this thing, so we're going to have to go check that out. But this was the low here. So pretty much what we're looking at is one of two things. This is either a 1, 2, and now we're working on 3, 4, 5, which doesn't feel as likely. Or we're working on something like a macro. Come on, trading view. Keep up. Sorry, this thing's freezing on me. All right, let's try that again. Or is it a macro A, B, C? We still haven't taken that out yet, right? So we're in wait and see mode on that, but we are still technically for AMP waiting on a third wave, because if I do this, we haven't set a new low. It's, dude, you're killing me. I apologize for trading view. It's still, we're still technically waiting on the third wave of either this C leg or third wave, right? So 3, 4, 5, this third wave, that's when the market rips here. Bitcoin sets a new high. Fourth wave, market resets. Bitcoin takes its first big drop. Fifth wave, alts are setting new highs. Bitcoin only goes into a retracement. That's typically how it works in an alt season. So that could be our 5 waves to get up there. This is the weekly, so it could happen a lot quicker, guys. Additionally, if this isn't going to be like a 5-wave move like that, well, this could also just be, don't mess with me, some kind of A, B, C to get us up there too. And right now we're just waiting on, this C wave. So there's a couple different ways to do it. We just don't know yet. Setting that new low there, threw things off just a little bit, but on the macro, not a huge deal. We're just waiting, guys. We need the markets to get going. But even if you look back here in November during the Trump pump, how much did we end up getting for AMP? I mean, that was a 4.3x in a month, right? And we were at this exact level. Look at that. Where we're at right now, that black line, that's the exact level we were at when we took off for the Trump pump. And that's exactly where we're at right now. Take off for the Trump pump, we're back up at this high, right? And we're moving. So we just got to be patient. Nothing's broken yet. If I remember correctly, the market cap isn't huge on AMP. Here, it should show it over here. Let's see. 288 million. So, I mean, it's a decent size, but it's outside the top 100. So, let's just wait, guys. Hang in there. But, next macro move is up, and that's what we're waiting on. So, if you have the funds on the sidelines, never a bad spot to dollar cost average, especially when we're down here at these lows. Like, if I held this asset, and I don't, and this isn't financial advice, but if I had bought up here and I believed in the project, I would be loading up down here in this area. Most people are scared right now when it's down here, but like, I mean, look at how low we are, right? We don't have much lower to go right now. And if it does, the thing's dead. But the macro market's going to be moving up here shortly. AMP's going to participate in that. Again, just got to be patient. So if you guys could do me a favor, if you could follow, like, repost. I've been doing TA a long time. Just want to help as many of you guys as I can. I also launched an ebook a couple weeks ago on how to build the perfect crypto portfolio. You can check that out. The link is in my X bio or the description of this YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I got a few more rolling out today, so I will talk to you then.